Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to cut something in half in TinkerCAD. So as you can see right here I have my figure placed on the plane, and now I will take a box figure because it's easier to cut with. You can take any figure that you want, but I prefer the box. Now I'll make it bigger, and as you can see I will just center it how I want to cut this orange figure. And now I will select all on the rectangle, and basically now I will drag with the mouse like this and just click on Union Group. Then what you'll need to do is basically click enter, and you'll see that you cut your figure in half. Now if you want to do a vertical cut, what you can do is basically do like this with your rectangle too. Just take it, then make it way bigger. So I will just go down like that. I will make it wider. Okay. And now what I will do is select a hole too, and basically I can adjust it and then drag with the mouse and click Union Group. And as you can see, I did cut this figure too. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below in the algorithm, and see you in the next one.